Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our follow camera. So as you see here we have something new in our script in our main camera. So let's click this button. So here we have to choose what sync to follow. So now we come back to our Visual Studio Code. So I gave you a challenge last lecture to sync what can be here. So it should be sync to follow transform dot position semicolon. Now if you save that up, come over here to Unity. And if you run this, as you see, something like this. So why is that? So let's click this 2D button. So when our camera comes too near, as you see here in the main camera part, it's changing. So let's come over here back to 2D. Here should be -10. And if you write 100 million, nothing's gonna change. All you have to do 100, not 110. Come over here back to Visual Studio Code. So there's only one method to do. Is all we have to do is new vector 3, open up our brackets, right? 0, 0, -10. This is gonna modify like our z-axis, x-axis, and y-axis. Come over here back to Unity. So as you see here, it is x, y, z. So now if we run this, so as you see, our camera's following our car. So okay, this was all for this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.